Eczema treatment for babies. The following information will show you 2 eczema treatments for babies that will greatly help to heal your baby's eczema naturally. Number 1, clean the blood. Eczema, just like all other skin disorders, are blood disorders. This means that if your baby suffers from any skin condition, including eczema, then your baby has polluted blood that needs cleaning. The condition of the blood reflects in the skin. Heal your baby's eczema by removing the toxins from the blood. People ask, how can my baby have dirty blood? I say, because of the diet of the child or the diet of the mother that gave birth to the child. Eating anything acidic before or during pregnancy causes mucus in the body, and the baby gets everything from the mother, including these toxins and mucus that your baby is now trying to expel through the largest organ of elimination, which is the skin. Cleanse your baby's blood by giving them tea of the following blood cleansing herbs: burdock root, dandelion root, yellow dock root, and red clover tops. Look for prepackaged tea bags with similar herbs that I mentioned. You can add agave syrup or maple syrup to make this tea taste delicious. Serve in a bottle or cup. Number 2, green juice. Chlorophyll is a great way to gently detox your baby's body and blood. Chlorophyll is responsible for giving plants the green pigment. It is referred to as liquid light, a very powerful substance. Put 8 ounces of warm plant-based nut milk like almond milk, cashew milk, flax milk, oat milk, etc. into a bottle and put a teaspoon of the following combination of green superfood powders: moringa powder, spirulina powder, chlorella powder, alfalfa leaf powder, wheatgrass powder, etc. Shake it well and serve to your child. These are some of the healthiest foods on the earth to consume, abundant chlorophyll and jam-packed with every mineral and vitamin that we need and our babies need to form a strong mind and body. I have put together a 100% free step-by-step guide on how I got rid of eczema naturally. You can get my guide, Eczema Freedom, for free. Just type www.clintonconley.com/EF right now, or click the link in the video description below to learn exactly how. My name is Clinton. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of any videos I release when I release them. Share this video with your friends. Comment below if you have any questions. I am always happy to help. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.